Very good morning to class 6 student of St. Paul High School. So in this video, we'll be doing a very important chapter in geography, and that is West Bengal situations in relation to the neighboring states and countries. Okay, so what are the neighboring states we have and what are the neighboring countries of West Bengal are there. Okay, so you see the neighboring states are Odisha, Jharkhand, Patna, this is Bihar, Bihar's capital is Patna. After that, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya. These all are the states which shares the boundary with वेस्ट बंगाल. तो देखिए इस मैप में बहुत ही अच्छे से दिखाया गया है कि वेस्ट बंगाल के साथ में कौन कौन से स्टेट के बाउंड्री टच होते हैं. यहाँ उड़ीसा है आपका नीचे, उसके ऊपर है आपका झारखंड, उसके ऊपर है बिहार, उसके ऊपर आता है आपका यहाँ पर आता है सिक्किम आता है और आसाम भी है. ठीक है, दीज आर द सम, और ये सब कुछ स्टेट्स हैं जो कि क्या होते हैं, जो वेस्ट बंगाल के साथ में बाउंड्री शेयर करते हैं. अब देखिए अब कौन कौन से ऐसे कंट्रीज हैं वो भी बाउंड्री शेयर करते हैं. नेपाल है आपका, भूटान भी आता है, ठीक है, और बांग्लादेश भी है. दिस थ्री कंट्री आर शेयर्स बाउंड्री विद द आवर प्लेस इज बेसिकली वेस्ट बंगाल. हमारे वेस्ट बंगाल से ये सब स्टेट्स बेसिकली कंट्रीज, सिर्फ स्टेट्स भी नहीं कंट्रीज भी क्या कर रहे हैं, बाउंड्री शेयर कर रहे हैं. कौन कौन से? नेपाल, आफ्टर दैट भूटान एंड आफ्टर दैट बांग्लादेश. Okay, so West Bengal has 8 neighbors who share common boundary with it. 5 Indian states lying on the border of West Bengal are Sikkim to the north, Assam to the northeast, Tripura is the east, and Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha to the west. Countries having a common boundary with West Bengal कौन कौन से are Bhutan to the north, Bangladesh to the east and Nepal to the northwest. So 8 neighbors we have. Out of that 5 are states and 3 are countries. Okay, now we'll talk about one by one. Assam. The state Assam lies in the northeast of West Bengal. Assam's capital is Dispur. आपको पता होना चाहिए, is the capital of Assam. Until 1874 Assam was administered as a part of Bengal. Earlier Assam used to be part of the Bengal, but nowadays it is not a part of the West Bengal. But in that year it was formed into a separate province. A length of about 90 km convoy boundary is lying between Jalpaiguri and Coach Bihar districts and West Bengal and Goalpada district of Assam. Because of that line it distributes or it divides the Assam and Bengal. Okay, and India's main landmass. Assam exports tea through Kolkata port of West Bengal. She distributes her product goods like tea, jute, timber, orange, etc. all over India through the road and railway of West Bengal. After that, we'll talking about Sikkim. Sikkim became the 22nd state of Indian Union in 1975. So Sikkim's capital is Gangtok. You must know this. Darjeeling district was acquired from Sikkim by the British East India Company in 1839 in the small mountain state in the eastern Himalayas. Sikkim is strategically important for India. Her nearest railway station are Siliguri and Jalpaiguri. These are the information. After that, Sikkim is famous for Denzong, is the valley of rice. Okay, and here the highest mountain peak, Indian mountain peak, and that is Kanchenjunga. Height is 8,579. Because of these things, Sikkim is famous. After that, Bihar. Bihar is 2 times larger than the area of West Bengal. Patna is the capital of Bihar. 850 km long border which is lying between West Bengal and Bihar, Jharkhand. Okay. After that, we are talking about Jharkhand. Now, what is special about Jharkhand? This is state lying to the west of the West Bengal. It accounts for 45% of former Bihar geographical area. Jharkhand is one of the richest states in India in mineral wealth. Jharkhand exports for her industrial products to foreign countries through the port of Kolkata and Haldia. Whatever the important minerals are there in Jharkhand, they got exported only from the ports from Calcutta. Odisha. After that, Odisha lies to the southeast of West Bengal. The state has drained by the 3 great rivers Mahanadi, Brahmani and Baitarani. The biggest and the famous lake in Odisha is Chilka Lake. It is very, very famous. And after that, Tripura. Tripura is situated in the east of West Bengal, surrounded by West Bengal, all sided, except a narrow neck in the northeast where it borders on Assam and Mizoram. It is a hilly small state with a thick jungles. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Now the three countries are there which share boundaries, and why these countries are important. Okay, the three countries are Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. Nepal, why Nepal? We're talking about Nepal because there are some items which exported from West Bengal. So what are the items? Timber, herbs, hides, wool, paper, etc. Bhutan, timber, fruits, cardamom and hydroelectricity from Chuka power plant. Main items of import from West Bengal. So what are the things they import? Iodized salt, medicines, engineering goods, cotton garments, etc. And what Bhutan import from West Bengal? Coal, iodized salt, medicine, engineering goods, automobile, fertilizer, chemical, cement, etc. Bangladesh is famous for hill surface, jute fiber, dhakia sarees, newsprint, etc. And what they import from West Bengal? Coal, iodized salt, medicines, engineering goods, automobile, fertilizer, steel, chemical, etc. One more important thing, Nepal and Bhutan act as a buffer state between India and China. Nepal is separated from West Bengal by Singhala mountain range. Nepal and Bangladesh is separated by 35 km wide districts of North Dinajpur. Okay, so this was all about this chapter. Basically, the chapter which we have been learned right now is West Bengal situation in relation to the neighboring states and countries. So how many neighboring states are there? Total neighbors, we have 8 neighbors. Out of that 8 neighbors, 5 are states, that is the Indian states only, and 3 are the foreign countries which we share boundary with. Okay, so your homework will be to do this filling the blanks. After that, please try this match the following and short answer type and long answer type. Try to complete this as soon as possible. Okay, so in the next video we'll be talking about landforms of West Bengal. Okay, so I believe you have been doing your homework. Try to submit your homework as soon as possible. Thank you.